Hey guys, what's happening? How to make a video on Rednote. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to download the app from your app store or Google Play. So I'm gonna just type Rednote, right? And make sure to download the app. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and open it up, right? And make sure to log in using your account. So in my case, I'm gonna hit me at the bottom right. Use your phone number or log in using your Apple account. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit the plus button at the bottom middle right here. And you have three options. You can choose from album, and you can use camera or go live in real time. So in my case, I'm gonna choose from album, right? And I'm gonna choose a video. So for example, this video, right? So I'm gonna hit next at the bottom right. And you're gonna hear this is the video. You can swipe left to add filters, right, to this video, and you can hit choose music at the top middle of your screen to add a music to support that video, right? You can also click stickers, just like Instagram. You can add, couple gifs from here and there, right? Something you prefer, or if you want to add more images or location, or if you want to tag someone, right, you can do that. And afterwards, what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead and hit next, or if you want to see more, you can just click more and add more tools like the video editing thing. You can add filter, template, auto cut, background removal, subtitle, and more. So I'm gonna hit next because I don't have a problem with this video, right? And you can add title just like the TikTok, and add a description. And if you want to make people, or if you want to reach more people in this platform, what you're gonna do, you're gonna add a hashtag, right, to reach more people. Okay, and if you want to tag someone, you could just go ahead and hit add user, and then just type in their first initials, and basically you can hit post at the top right after you finish and send it to the public. And if you're not comfortable sending it to a public, right, you can just go ahead and control the privacy, right, for your Rednote, right? So afterwards, just hit post at the bottom right or bottom middle, and then just start your journey with Rednote. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.